Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store is not showing purchased games and apps in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type WS Reset, click OK. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Store uninstalled successfully. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy second command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.